I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing an access block on Gmail web, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from accessing Gmail. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated data. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with Gmail. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the access block. Step 4. Check for account security alerts. Log into your Google account and check for any security alerts. Sometimes, Google may block access for security reasons. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing Gmail from a different browser or device. This can help identify if the problem is browser-specific. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the access block on Gmail web. Good luck, and I hope you'll be back to emailing in no time.